Company profile. Elaf Innovations Private Limited. About us. We deal in the supply, installation, and maintenance of all kind of security surveillance systems. We have a staff of qualified employees, all of whom are fully equipped to provide you with the best service and expertise, committed and highly experienced team. We pride ourselves on delivering a truly professional and personalized service. Our expertise. Best engineering services in security solutions for 1. IP-based CCTV design, implementation, operation, and maintenance. 2. Integrated control and command center. 3. City surveillance, traffic planning, and monitoring. 4. Smart city initiatives. 5. Biometric, RFID, and physical layer security. 6. Wireless communication infrastructure. 7. Optical fiber networks operate on different passive optical network. 8. M2M and M2H communication systems and services. Our mission. To be the leading supplier of state-of-the-art AI-based CCTV and related electronic security systems and solutions at market-leading pricing, while delivering unquestionably excellent customer service, ultimately lowering operational expenses for our clients while bringing them peace of mind. What we offer. Elaf Innovations is specialized in designing, installing, and maintaining multiple telecom services. Following a full assessment of your business or premises, our skilled sales team will design an optimal security solution tailored to your needs. Our dedicated operations managers and certified technical teams are involved in each step, including successful installation, programming, and final handover. CCTV video systems. Full HD and Smart IP network-based CCTV to AI video analytics, ANPR, automatic number plate recognition, solutions, as well as mobile device viewing and control of your installed cameras through ISP connectivity. Access control. Facial recognition, biometrics, card access terminals connected to door locking systems.